Welcome to our video about the ProBase library for ABB System 800XA. In this video, we will give you a short introduction about the benefits of the ProBase library. ProBase stands for Processing Solution Base Package. It is a package of libraries, typicals and templates for product routing. And ProBase is based on setline Focus 2, Focus 3 and Pharmaline. So ProBase can rely on 35 years of processing automation experience. Here are the key benefits of ProBase. ProBase is based on proven technology. It has a modular architecture with a uniform construction of the faceplates and screens and a uniform construction of the application. ProBase provides high-performance graphics with information on a need-to-know basis. Starting conditions for every function gives the operator a clear overview of process and program interlocks. And CIP functionality is included out of the box. The whole ProBase principle is based on routes, storage and lines, where product transfer goes from source to destination. Let's have a look at a small process to explain the ProBase architecture. First, start with the P&ID. In this P&ID, identify all of the functional objects, like tanks. Identify the lines used for processing and transport. And identify the routes for your source and destination plan. At the end, your operator screen will look like this. It is a functional overview with all the information the operators need to know. Every unit in ProBase, like tanks and lines, have their own functions like production, cleaning or flushing. These functions make use of the S88 standard. Functions can, for example, be active, in hold or pre-selected. Every unit has its own faceplate. Let's have a look at one of these faceplates. For example, the tank faceplate. On the left, you can see the functions of the tank, like cleaning, emptying and production. In the middle, you can see the starting conditions of every function. These conditions give the operator a clear overview of process and program interlocks. On the right, you can see the settings of this tank, like the tank temperature and the tank high and low level settings. Now we will give you an example of a product transfer with ProBase. First of all, you select the product source. After that, you select the product destination. When this is done and all starting conditions are right, you are ready to start the production. After this, the pasteurizer starts with the production. As you can see in this detailed screen of the pasteurizer, the required equipment like pumps is activated. The detail screen of the milk buffer shows the required information like the tank state and active route. The P&ID screen of the milk buffer shows all the equipment like the activated valves and pumps. And this is the same for the P&ID screen of the pasteurizer. Normally, the operator only uses the processing overview to monitor the actual state of his process. The P&ID screens can be used for detailed information, for instance when there is a problem with the equipment. To summarize ProBase, as you have seen, the modeling of ProBase is based on units and routes. The information is shown to the operator on a need-to-know basis. In most situations, the process overview gives enough information to the operator. The conditions of the functions are according the S88 standard. Starting conditions for every function give the operator a clear overview of process and program interlocks. And ProBase is based on setline Focus 2, Focus 3 and Pharmaline, so ProBase can rely on 35 years of process automation experience. For more information about ProBase, please feel free to contact IAS Industrial Automation.